Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to disable Discord startup with Windows. Open the Discord app, click on User Settings. Then go to the section Windows Settings. There, disable the switch, open Discord. You can close the Discord settings. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.